bells, jingle all the way.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to number 6.
French or Russian?
Bonjour, bienvenue au vlog numéro 6.
We are taking him to work and then I'm going to finish my vlog from that computer. Gotta get done. And I'm waiting for my toast to pop right up. Would you like to be in the vlog, Mom?
Yeah.
Background shot. Just a flash. Probably couldn't even see her. It's fine. I got my package. I literally ordered this yesterday afternoon. Amazon is the best. It's awesome. Let's open it. It is from Golden Star Beauty. Did you not know I was vlogging, Mama?
I didn't know.
It's okay. Don't worry, you look pretty.
Okay, in your natural habitat.
In your natural state. It's the best place to be.
My pictures of Christmas decorations from last year so I can remember what the heck I did.
Life's so hard when you can't remember anything. So I got new tanning mitts. There's a body one and a face one and this exfoliating mitt, which is awesome. There you go. Cool, and they go in this nice little makeup bag. I'm gonna leave the instructions in there actually. Yeah. This is like way higher quality than the one that I had before. So that's awesome. And then I got this face tanner, which I've really been needing. If you can't tell by how pasty I am right now. They're packed super well. They have peanuts and everything, so you're definitely not going to lose any bottles with buying them from Amazon. Like I said, I literally ordered this yesterday. This is a US-based company. Organic, cruelty-free, vegan. Awesome. So I have this facial self-tan serum with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 and rosehip oil. That's cool. And I also got this body oil. And they also emailed me a free ebook on tanning and stuff, so that's fun. These pants are gonna get everywhere. So I've got some gloves plus the spray top self tanning oil. This is nice. Cool. Organic jojoba oil, avocado oil, macadamia oil, primrose oil, and hyaluronic acid. Cool. So this is going to be awesome. I'm excited to try these out. Thanks, Golden Star Beauty. It's going to be awesome. And I think I have a commission code for you guys too. I'll put it in the description. It'll be Sun Kisses 10 if you wanted to get 10% off. Wanted to try it. I'll try it out over the next few days and tell you how it is, and I'll keep sharing the discount code as I try it out. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you is that I finally got my Nasty Gal package in from all the clothes I ordered on Black Friday. I think they got held up in San Francisco a little bit, so it's taken forever for them to get here, but I'll show you. They're super cute. Let me just set up the camera somewhere. Okay, so I got all of this right here. I got this cute orange sweater and it has fringe on the arms. I just think it's really cute. That's gonna be nice. It's like just the right kind of like slightly oversized. It's gonna be cute. And I got this just black shirt, but it has like a fun ruffly turtleneck, and it has like slightly belled sleeves, so it's just got like a little bit of extra going on, and it's a little on the longer side too. And then I got this shirt. It's just like little stripes, and again, really fun bell sleeves. I've just been feeling fun sleeves lately, so that'll be really cute. Just simple. And then the whole reason I ended up even getting an order from Nasty Gal is because I saw this coat and I was like, I need this in my life. And everything was 60% off. I think it actually still is. If you go on their website, I think they still have a code for 60% off. But I've been looking for like a long black coat forever. I really love like trench and long like duster coats. So I found this one. It's black. It's a teddy coat. So super fluffy and awesome. And it's just like, oh, it is long, but I love it. So it's super cute. It'll be, it looks kind of crazy and ridiculous in Arizona because people don't wear long jackets here, but I think that it'll be awesome in New York. And like the sleeves are just the right length, and just everything about it is awesome.
Anyway, this is a work in progress. We'll get it.
Look at these cute gnomes. My mom made this one. That's her project this year. She found this one at the store and fell in love and figured out how to make those, and then we found that one. Where's the cute ornament looking one?
It's on the tree.
It's on the tree. Let's go look at it. Oh, there it is. Look at that guy. He's awesome. His beard is so long. That's been Mom's project this season, is gnomes. So I just made some leftover Panda Express. Oh, that's too hot. I just made some leftover Panda Express for lunch. I'm still trying to decide. If I want to go into the office or not. But I don't think that I will today, because I don't need to. And, well, why would you want to do something if you don't have to? Also, I'm going to try this kombucha today. I got it from Sprouts and it's been sitting in the fridge for like weeks, maybe a month. Because me and my mom both got some and then we've never like sat down and tried it. And now it's just been so long that it's like not fun anymore. Oh, he can't even see me. We should have done it earlier. Can you hear the PS4? It's so loud. Okay, so before I sit down and eat my Panda Express, I just wanted to try this and see if it's any good or if it's like totally gross and I'm never gonna want to eat it again. Okay, here we go. This is like the Health Aid Kombucha, pink and Pink Lady apple flavor. I know it's supposed to be so good for you. I don't think I'm gonna like it, guys. I feel like it smells like alcohol. Ugh. Okay. I don't love it. You will like that if you like the taste of vinegar mixed with beer. That's what it tastes like to me. You'll like it if you like the taste of those things. It's like it's not horrible, it's just not great. My mom got like a mojito flavored one, so we'll have to have her try it and see. She's probably gonna hate it too. Okay, glad I tried that. Never doing that again. I am going to go sit down and eat this Panda Express instead, and I'm going to finish Breaking Dawn Part 1 Extended Edition because that's what's on Amazon Prime right now, and I just couldn't find anything to watch, so I ended up watching that. So I'm just gonna finish it. I changed my mind. Uptown Girls is on Amazon Prime, so I'm definitely watching that because Brittany Murphy is one of my favorite actresses from that era.
Hello.
It's the end of the day. Not really, it's only 5 o'clock. It feels like the end of the day though.
Yeah, I mean, like, look how dark it is outside.
Yeah, it's like super stormy today. It was raining off and on all day.
So yeah, we're just going back home after a long day of work for me. I don't know about you. How was it?
I mean, I didn't have like a really hard day of work today, but I did get a big important post up, and that took some prep work. And I actually got vlog number 5 up on time today, which is awesome.
Nice.
So you're welcome, kids.
I think we gained like 10 followers.
Yeah, I think we're almost to 60. Because I posted about it on Instagram.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm a little tired today. I was planning on going back to the gym, but now I'm feeling lazy about it because I usually go in the morning, not in the evening. Plus my back is killing me because I did some back workout yesterday, so I don't know.
Well, Mom just called me.
What about it?
You're done yawning, I can tell you. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, go back over there. I want to see you pull some moves in my new coat.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Getting Christmas ornaments.
Are you getting nervous because you're being interviewed? Yeah. It's okay. Just smile and wave.
Ready?
We're in At Home,
Right now.
which is an awesome store for home decor if you haven't been here before.
It's crazy.
It's awesome.
It's so crazy.
I know.
This
they have so
is
many
so
options.
huge.
Oh, these are all really cute.
Okay, those
Honey, do you want to pick ours for this year? Since you haven't been able to pick a Christmas ornament ever, we can start this tradition in our family and get a new one every year. It's my family's great tradition. Well, what kind do you want? These are all red ones.
These are so cute though.
I know. You got to look at the other ones too.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them down.
Okay. This is serious business. Is picking ornaments. That is the hugest ornament I've ever seen in my whole life.
This is my future grandchild.
Like, loving it.
Spoon, maybe.
I think we should go to another place.
Like
Yeah,
this
me
Yogi
too.
Santa.
We go to work.
I know, it's so... Mom, look, did you see this pose? There's a different pose. There's that one up there too.
Gosh.
I like this
That's
one.
All the
hilarious.
yoga Santas.
Why is that a thing?
Oh, this one's pretty funny.
I didn't know that was a thing.
That one's kind of cute.
All these little woodland animals, except for the the possessed deer, are
Yeah,
cute.
why are
is
they?
what I'm
Why
gonna
do they
get.
have them like
His head
fully
full on
backwards?
This is what
Ew.
It's like someone doesn't know what a deer looks like.
This
and they
one's
tried
kinda
to make
cute.
it.
I'm getting this one.
Don't. We're not gonna get it.
It's
Mom,
hilarious.
this fox is really cute too.
I guess you can get it here.
I like it.
This is like
He looks just really joyful.
It's
Modern dance.
me
Really
and
happy to be
one
there.
ornament.
It is you. We can get you yours here. If you want it, you got it.
Picked our ornaments.
They're kind of tangled. There you go. I mean, look how cute they are.
They're so cute. I love them. I'm the one with the shorter beard, right?
Oh, yes.
Boys are
You're not as hairy as me.
pretty much done shopping here.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, just
Find an ornament.
Mom could shop forever. How you feeling?
A little tired actually and headachy.
Me too. Are you going in the morning for the gym? So you gotta go home and go
I
right
can't
to
go
bed.
at night because tomorrow we're going on date night.
That's true. Then you'd miss 2 days of exercise.
So I can't
Nope, you can't do it.
work out.
All right, it's the end of the night. We got some fun clips from finding our Christmas ornaments. It's like a fun tradition my family has every year. We grew up in our family each having like a cute little box of ornaments that we all like put on the tree each ourselves, so it's kind of fun. So me and Vincent are starting that tradition for sure, huh? We got our little matching gnomes. And now we're getting ready for bed. Brush teeth, wash face. I'm actually not even going to bed yet. I'm gonna keep working on the vlog, but Vincent needs to get in bed because he's gonna get up early and go to the gym. Because I figured out for Vlogmas, if I don't at least lay out all the clips, actually I'm gonna go grab my little desky thing while I talk. If I don't at least like map out all the clips and get them into the timeline at night, I'm not gonna have enough time to edit everything in the morning and like finalize it. Good night.
Hi.
No, I'm saying bye.
Oh, bye.
Good night, everybody.
Okay, Dan, you know what to do.
So I think that's gonna be my workflow. Get everything into the timeline, review everything the night before, crop it all, or like, you know, put your ins and your outs, cropping out all the weird little beginnings and endings of things, and then in the morning I look at it with fresh eyes, cut out all the unneeded stuff, and do that. Okay. And good night, everybody. Signing off. Vlogmas Day 6. Hi, hello. Oh. How are we doing?
Doing good.
Should we plan like a thumbnail?
Hold on. How about that for a thumbnail?
I don't know if it's gonna look good.